Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. I'd like to welcome the new subscribers to the channel, and I want to thank all of the people that are watching around the world. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a security envelope using Office Shapes, and we're going to do it in Word. So this is the final product. First of all, set your layout size to letter. So I'm going to take a fresh page and I'm going to recreate this. I've made this 60% zoom so you can see the full page. Go to Insert, Shapes, and select the trapezoid. Shape Format, Shape Fill, take out the fill. I made this gray for the outline, you don't have to. And also I set this to fixed position. And then for the shape format, we're going to go 3.53 and 19.77. Just position it there. Then go Insert, Shapes, choose a rectangle. Same thing, shape format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline. Let's make it gray. You can make this line thicker if you want. Shape format, shape outline, weight. Just make it thicker. With this fixed position as well, I'm going to set this to shape format width 11.85 and then this to 1976 like our previous example. Just going to copy this first. Okay, and so that's lined up. We're going to add another rectangle and let's put this over here. Like so. This you can lower and put this there, and then with this one I'm just going to send to back. So this smaller rectangle is in the front, and then what you want to do is you go into shape format, select this format shapes. You can also right click on it and select format shape at the bottom. Then you go into fill, pattern fill, change it to black, and then you have either this pattern for security pattern or this one. I chose this one. It's your choice, whatever you like. And it doesn't use a lot of ink when you're printing as well. And the other thing what you would say is, with this, making your own envelope, not only is it convenient, you can change the thickness of the paper on your printer, and you can also select a different glue. I don't know what they use for regular envelopes. I don't know if you can steam it open or just take the whole envelope apart with steam. But if you use your own type of glue that's permanent, then you have more security. Okay, so now the second part, the second background, pattern fill, select the same one. Okay. I did have the dotted lines here to tell you to fold this over, these two tabs. I don't know if you need to see that again, but you don't really need them at this point. So you would print this out. This and this should be the same width. So you just fold it here, and then you fold these tabs over top and glue them down. And then the top opening tab you can also glue down or tape. Basically what you would cut out after you do this is, let me just choose the pen here. This would all go out. You could cut out with scissors, and then this part here, and then this part here you would cut out this white two strips. So when this folds over, these two would remain and they would fold over top. So this goes up. Yeah, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.